Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here for some deals to share with you today on this Sunday afternoon. So as you guys can see from my background, I'm here at Walmart, and we're going to get some fantastic deals. We're going to get some food, some hygiene things. We're going to get some cleaning supplies, and we have a couple freebies in here too, as long as everything's in stock. So guys, get ready, get your phones out so you can do your screenshots, get your inserts out because you're going to need a couple coupons, or you can print some of the coupons from coupons.com. I will let you know which ones, and I will put them up in the camera so you can see each one. But let's get ready to save, guys. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell next to it. That way you'll get a notification. You won't miss out on any of the deals. And this is going to be my first video I do this week. I'm at Walmart. I'm going to do another video tomorrow at Walmart because I have to find my other coupons. So guys, let's get ready to save. Alrighty, so our first deal that we're going to do today is on the airwick starter kits. So I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what I'm getting and what coupons I'm using, because they're very specific. It does not work on every scent. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is you're going to go to your Ibotta app and you're going to clip the $1.50 rebate for the airwick starter kit. And it clearly says in the rebate that you have to get the hibiscus and blooming. Let me get it's called hibiscus and blooming orchid. That is the only scent that this one works on. So that rebate is specifically for this scent. If you have not downloaded Ibotta yet, go ahead and do so. Here is my Ibotta code. If you use my code, you get special rebates or special money the first time that you scan one of your receipts or redeem a rebate. So that way, guys, we can save together, okay? So you're going to get this starter kit. It's going to cost you $2.97, okay? But you're going to go to coupons.com and you're going to print off this coupon for $1.50. So that's going to take that down to about $1.50, and then you're going to redeem this at Ibotta for $1.50. Basically, guys, this is going to be a 3-cent money maker for you. You can do this deal up to 5 times, but at Walmart you can only submit 4 coupons. So you can there's also some coupons out in the insert. I can't find my inserts right now. That's why I have to do two separate videos for Walmart. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this because I do have this coupon off of coupons.com, and I'm going to put this in my cart. And basically this is a freebie or a 3-cent money maker, however you want to look at it. But if you have the coupons, do it as many times as you can. Okay guys, we're at our next deal, and our next deal is on the ocean spray juice. And just about every flavor works because I scanned like 6 of them. So you are going to, again, clip this Ibotta app, and it's going to give you $1 off. You can do this deal up to 5 times. I'm just going to do it once. I just bought a bunch of ocean spray juice, but ocean spray is my favorite. But I'm going to get this size right here. They're $2.78. And then I'm going to submit it to Ibotta. That means I'm only going to have $1.78 out of pocket. I'm going to get the cran mango. I don't know what your favorite kind is, but you can put that in the comment box and let's see what everyone's favorite is. Okay guys, our next 2 offers is going to be on the Fabuloso, and we're going to get both the antibacterial as well as the Fabuloso Complete. You're going to make sure that you clip your Ibotta rebates. There's $1 Ibotta rebate for each one of these. So we're going to pay $2.97 for this one at the register, and we're going to get $1 back from Ibotta. So that's going to make our out of pocket $1.97. And that is the same with this one. When you're getting these, guys, make sure it's the 48 ounce because that is the one that applies to the rebates. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on the Sheila G's Brown Griddle, And as you can see, they're $2.88 on the shelf, but we have a $1 Ibotta rebate, so make sure that you click that. And then we also have a $1 back on Fetch. If you have not downloaded Fetch, please do that. Every receipt that you scan, you get anywhere from 25 points and up, and then you redeem those points for gift cards for all the stores that you shop at. Here is my Fetch code. Go ahead and download it, and you do get an extra 2,000 points when you scan your first receipt, which is an extra $2. And you can buy gift cards for as low as $3. So I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these, and between the Fetch rebate and the Ibotta rebate, these are going to be 88 cents. I don't know if you guys have ever eaten those or not, that they're really, really good. Okay guys, so our next deal is going to be on this kids Listerine, and it's $3.97. There's a whole bunch of different flavors, but I want to go ahead and get the blue one, and it's $3.97. We have a dollar Ibotta rebate, so that's going to bring it down to $2.97. Okay guys, so I have an amazing hair color, hair dye, whatever you want to call it, deal for you. So in the Ibotta rebate, in the Ibotta app, we have 3 different rebates for Clairol Dye. We have one for the Clairol Nice and Easy, which is $2. We have one for the Root Touch Up, which is $2.50. And then we have one for the Natural Instincts, which is $2. So I grabbed each one of these. So I believe there's coupons in the inserts, but again, like I said earlier, I lost my inserts somewhere. I don't know where I put them. So I was able to print some coupons off of coupons.com. And as you can see, it goes for all 3 of the rebates. So here's a coupon for $3 off. And then there is a coupon for $6 off 2 boxes. So that's why I have these 2 coupons, because I have a total of 3 boxes. So each one of these boxes cost $6.92. So we're just going to round that up to $7. So we're going to say that that's $21, right? But we're going to use this $3 coupon and this $6 coupon. So that's $9 off. So that's going to bring us down to $12 to pay at the register, okay? And then we're going to submit to Ibotta, and we're going to get $2 off of the Clairol Nice and Easy. We're going to get $2.50 off of the Root Touch Up, and then we're going to get $2 off the Natural Instincts. So that's another $6.50. So guys, we're going to pay like $6 for 3 boxes of dye. So that's like buying 1 and getting 2 for free. So guys, if you're using dye, you know, I got different colors because I do the brown, black in my hair, and then I have someone who comes and buys things off of me that uses the blue, black. So get the colors that you need, or make a basket and resell them. Do whatever you need to do. But I think $6 for 3 boxes of Clairol Dye is excellent. So go ahead and get your dye. So guys, what I'm doing is I'm getting 10 rebates on this trip, and then I'll get more rebates on my trip tomorrow. The reason why I'm doing 10 is because the Weekend Warrior bonus that I have is for 10 rebates for $1. $1 is not much, but you know, it helps. So right now we're at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I just need 1 more to complete my trip. No. Okay guys, this is my last offer, which is on the Lipton Green Tea, and we have a rebate for that for 10 cents, and it is $1.98. I'm going to finish this off, and I'm going to drink this right away because it is burning up in here. I don't think the air is working here in Walmart. We're going to head up to the register. Okay guys, so I have everything scanned, and you can see my total is $43.17 before coupons. So now I'm going to scan the coupons, and then you can see what the total is after that. Okay, so after my coupons, guys, you can see my total is $32.04, but then we do have to submit our rebates to Fetch and Ibotta, and then we'll have our grand out of total. So once I do that and get back home, I will come back on the camera and show you guys everything. Okay guys, so I'm out of Walmart. I just want to go over my receipt with you and go over the rebates that I submitted to Ibotta and Fetch, which, by the way, once I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, I got the money back in less than a minute. So that's how fast you get your money back from Ibotta. So let me switch this screen around here. Okay, guys, so here is my receipt. You can see there is the airwick oil starter kit, and you can see it's on there twice, but what happened is I rang it up twice, so I had to have one deleted. So you see it was $2.97 with the $1.50 coupon, and then we had a $1.50 rebate from Ibotta. So that was basically free with the 3-cent moneymaker. Then next is the Lipton tea, that bottle that I bought. And I really didn't have to get that, guys, because I really only needed 9 offers. And then I did have the any item on the receipt offer that I totally forgot about. But it's okay. I still paid for the tea because I needed something to drink because it was so hot in there. I don't know if their air is working or not, but everyone was in there complaining about how hot it was. And then you have the ocean spray juice that I got, the Fabuloso, both of those are there. Then the chocolate chip snacks that I got, the hair color was $6.92 with the $3 off coupon, and then the next 2 hair colors was a $6 coupon. Now, just to give you guys a heads up, the $6 coupon does beep. It's the right coupon. Don't worry. Don't get nervous. The only reason it's beeping is because it's worth $6. Whenever it's a high value coupon, Walmart system will beep just so that the customer service can come over and verify that that is the right coupon and the right product. So if I were you, I would scan that coupon last, and I would ring the die up last too. That way it's right on top and they don't have to be searching through your bags and things. So we paid a total of $30.48 before tax. You guys know I don't like to include tax because everyone's is different. So we paid $30.48. And then you guys see here where I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back a total of $15.60 from Ibotta. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch, and I got another $1.05 back. So guys, our total was very nice out of pocket. So as you can see, we had a total savings of $16.65, and our total out of pocket was $13.83. That's an excellent price for all that hair color, ocean spray juice, and all of that. So guys, again, here is my Ibotta code, and here is my Fetch code. Make sure that you download those apps. Make sure you click the offers in Ibotta before you go shopping. And make sure you upload your receipt for both Ibotta and Fetch to get those offers back. The money, you get the money back instantly. It's not like you have to wait 2 or 3 days and then you could take that money. You either put it in your bank account, you can buy gift cards with it, you can send it to your Venmo account. It's totally up to you. I send my Ibotta money to PayPal, and then I just use that PayPal card to buy my couponing thing. So it's just like I'm recycling money. So guys, I appreciate you guys watching my channel and commenting below every time. I appreciate when you like the videos. That really helps me out. So let me know what you think about this video. If you're going to do any of these deals, or if you've done them, let me know how they went. And until the next time, keep on saving.